you know when Jesus' birthday is on? Christmas Eve! So, do you think you're just celebrating to have fun? No, you're celebrating Jesus' birthday. How cool is that? And today is Sunday, September 7th. So, it's the nighttime still, I think. The sun is rising. Everything. Should I sleep? Because I've been up till 12:21. Love you. Wait, my eyes are not even white. Black. They seem to be red. Okay, good night. And it's almost 1 o'clock. If you think I'm home, come to review when we do a dance. Okay, bye.